Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, here we go. We got a couple of pasture-raised eggs, and that's what they're. They're pasture-raised from Vital Farms. These are the best eggs I've found. So we have 2 eggs. Got some black olives. Have a little grated cheese. I have some salsa. We got a little, this is just a nice rustic white bread, and a little butter. Hey, Mike Foster here, how you doing? Today, it's another sandwich. And this is not a fried egg sandwich, but this is gonna be an egg sandwich with cheese, black olives, on this toasted bread, and it's gonna be topped off with salsa. Just another great sandwich by me. Who am I? Mike Foster, the Sandwich King. So let's put this baby together. Okay, we got this guy on medium. Put it down just a little, yeah. About medium is what you want. I'm gonna start this baby off with some butter. All right, that baby's ready. We're gonna have 2 eggs. Put them in whole like this to start. All right, there they are. I'm gonna start mixing them around like this. Then this fast, I'm gonna start putting these black olives in. I'm just taking them and I'm smashing them. All right, put that down just a little more. All right. How about just a couple more? There you go. All right. Mix it around. Mix it. Some fresh cracked pepper. That's all you need. All right, keep mixing it. All right. To this, we're going to put some of the shredded cheese. This is simple, guys. I got the toast down. Oh, Mike, don't be crazy. Put it on. There you go. Well, let's just get this mixed in first. Mixy schmixy. How do you do? Now, do you see this? That was the toast. Put this on low. This is all incorporated. And I'm going to try to solidify it right here so I can just scoop it all in one big glob and put it on the sandwich. This baby's done in 30 seconds. Let's put that sandwich together. All right, this just is fresh out of the toaster. Put butter on one side, put butter on the other side. There's the finished egg, cheese, black olives. Put that right there. It broke a little, but still, it's basically what I wanted. Here's the fun part. This is salsa. You want to know how to make salsa? I have a video called how to make simple salsa. And believe me, it is simple. Oh, that looks gorgeous. I don't care what anyone says. All right, there's the old flipperoo, presseroo. Are you ready for this slice through? I am. Here it is. Ready for the reveal? There it is. Oh, look at that. Let's get a close-up and a big bite coming up. All right, there's the close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. Egg, olive, cheese, and salsa sandwich. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Oh. But it's full of flavor. Don't say full of flavor with a mouthful. You get it all there, you get the cheese, get that little savoriness of that black olive, get a little salty bite there, creaminess of the egg. This piece fell out. Oh. And of course that zing and tang of the salsa. One more bite. Make sure you toast that bread pretty firm, because it needs a firm toast to hold this baby together. Ask Kelly Diller. Experiment in the kitchen like I do all the time, and share as many videos with you guys as I can. Let me know what you want. Let me know if you like any of the things. Check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Tell people about it. Tell people about it. Thumb this video up and keep living Life 365 until next time. Peace. Just for old time's sake, hit the camera.
live life 365.
I'm hungry. Ouch! That's ready. My head's cut off. That's a big bite. Sweet bingy boom boom. That was a sweet bamboo. A little messy, but not that bad. It's one of my favorite Hawaiian shirts. I like it. Wow. You know, it's the allergies. 'Cause no matter what I do, it's allergies. I got a lot of sleep. Oh, that looks better. How's that look? That's not good.